Viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from English language CTET 2026 language skills. Today we study about language skills. So listening, speaking, reading, writing. LSRW. These are four language skills in which receptive skills are listening and reading are receptive skills also called input skills. These are also called input skills, listening and reading. Here, productive skills are speaking and writing. These are also called output skills, active skills or expressive skills, reinforcement skills, and creative skills. So, speaking and writing are productive skills, while listening and reading are receptive skills. Order is LSRW. First, student or a child start to listening, and after that, speaking and reading and writing. Major skills are LSRW. Fifth skill, thinking and reasoning. The fifth skill is thinking and reasoning. Oral, audio, listening. Oral speaking, prediction, reading. Pen paper test, reading and writing. Pen paper test, reading and writing. Casual listening, not very much attentive. Intensive listening, deep listening or fully concentration with attention is called intensive listening. Critical listening, intensive listening and give feedbacks. When we give feedbacks in intensive listening, it is called critical listening. Sub skills, there are few sub skills of readings. Two sub skills of readings: scanning, studying, reading in detail, specific detail to acquire particular information like thesis, research paper reading. Skimming, fast reading, not in detail. Skimming is a process of fast reading, not in detail, for a general idea, for getting general idea of the text or phrases, like newspaper reading with skipping. We read newspaper with skimming and skipping. Intensive reading, reading in detail, reading for information. Extensive reading, not in detail, reading for pleasure, joy, like novel reading and paper reading. Writing, process approach, stepwise follow, brainstorming, mind and mapping, outline, draft, editing, review, proofreading, final draft, and publish. These are the process of writing. Product approach of writing, focused on outcomes. Write an essay on save water. For example, write an essay on save water. Not talking, note making, note taking, note making. During the lecture, note taking is done during the lecture. Listening, writing skills. Note making, elaborate, explain in detail after the lecture. Writing, gathering skill. Here are few questions. What are two productive skills? Speaking and writing are called productive skills. Speaking and writing are called productive skill, while listening and reading are called receptive skills. Aditi, a visually challenged child in class 4, does not have any text or in Brainly. How can a teacher facilitate her in reading the English textbook? She may arrange and give the audio CD to the textbook in to the child. So this is the correct answer. Interactive listening means listening carefully to what is said and responding. Interactive listening means listening carefully to what is said and responding. A person who is fluent speaker is likely to process verbal linguistic ability, to likely to possesses verbal linguistic ability, under which activity is recognizing sound and deducing meanings from them. Count, listening. This is the listening activity. What are the other skills of language apart from listening, speaking, reading and writing? So this is thinking and reasoning. This is the fifth skill of language, which is thinking and reasoning. Among the following four language skills, which part which pair contribute the reinforcement skill? So speaking and writing is required reinforcement skill. At class 2, sharing story, familiar expressions, and interest, employing gesture where appropriate is a sub skill of functioning speaking. So this is the sub function of speaking. A short text is read aloud and then student visualize the passage, describe, then they tell teacher about their visualization or draw a picture. The activity assesses student listening and comprehension. Listening and comprehension. Stephen Christensen hypothesis. Total 5 hypotheses are given by Stephen Christensen. Number 1, acquired or learned. Acquisition is more important than learn. Acquired or learned hypothesis. Second is monitor hypothesis. It gives relation between acquisition and learning. Learning monitor rectify the deviation in language acquisition. Monitor uses valensely. Natural order hypothesis. Learner learns naturally. Input hypothesis. Comprehensible, also called comprehensible hypothesis. One step more than the learner knowledge or current level. Effective filter hypothesis. So it has hindrance, motivation, low self-confidence, and anxiety. And we can learn then by amenia. These 5 hypotheses by the word amenia. A means acquired or learned hypothesis, M means monitor hypothesis, N means natural hypothesis, I means input or comprehensive hypothesis, and A means affective filter hypothesis. Few words are there. BISC, 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 basic interpersonal communication skills. It is given by Jim Cummins. Day-to-day language with their peers, informal settings, playground, school, bus, etc. SLA. Second language acquisition. BISC is related to second language acquisition. CALP, CALP, cognitive academic language proficiency. It is also given by Jim Cummins. Cognitive advanced language proficiency, formal settings, analyze, synthesis, book review. It it's two meanings: cognitive academic language proficiency, which is given by Jim Cummins, and cognitive advanced language proficiency given in NCRT. A teacher organizes the following activity every day: divide the class into groups of 5 and give some day to day function them for conversation in the groups, and later she pick up one from each group and ask the group to converge as whole a class activity. What is the attempting to promote? What is she attempting to promote? Basic interpersonal communication skill, BISC. Basic intercommunication skills is referred to language needed for conveying abstract ideas, language needed for communication by young learners, language needed for here and now communication. So C is the correct answer. Language needed for here and now communication. A language teacher firstly asks students to introduce themselves to each other in the class. Then she asks them to introduce their friend to each other. This activity will help to increase BICS, BICS, basic interpersonal communication skills. The term BISC and CALP were introduced by Jim Cummins. The term BISC and CALP were introduced by Jim Cummins. So these are the few questions from CTET English language. I hope these are useful for you. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.